morning student. Today we are going to start our new poem, means 2.1 unit. The poem's name is Invictus. The meaning of Invictus is undefeatable, unconquerable. Before starting this poem, I want to give you some information about the poet and about the central idea of this poem. You know students very well many great personalities. Mother Teresa, Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar, then Nelson Mandela. All these great personalities, we know them as today as great personalities. But are they all great personalities from the starting of their life? Are they all persons are great from the starting of their life? No. They struggle very hard. They face many difficulties in their life to reach at this position, to become great persons, to become great personalities. And these and others also, these great personalities and many other great persons face several challenges in their life. They also face, just like us, they also face many challenges in their life. But when they face difficulty, they face many difficulties in their life. But at that moment, they never gave up. They never gave up to accept the challenge. They never gave up and they never gave up and keep on going ahead. When they face many challenges, when they were struggling, they never gave up and they go ahead. They keep on going ahead relentlessly. These persons motivate us. When we face some difficulty in our life, we became sad, we lose our confidence, we lose all our hopes. But at that time, if we remember these persons, if we remember their work, if we remember the difficulties faced by these persons in their life, at that moment we encourage ourselves. That moments, that thoughts of the people, great persons thought, all these things motivate us. And in this way, we became able to face the difficulties in our life, just like them. Here, like this motivational person, here, like these motivational persons, a poem Invictus is given to us. This poem is very motivational poem. This poem Invictus is very motivational poem. In this poem, the poet is William Ernest Henley. The name of the poet is William Ernest Henley. His life is also full of difficult situation. His life was also full of difficult situations. Now I am going to tell you something about our poet. William had a very challenging childhood. William's childhood was very challenging. He had a very challenging childhood. He lost his father at the early age. He lost his father at the early age. And when he was at the age of 12. Means when he became 12 years old, he caught with tuberculosis of bone. He caught with tuberculosis of bone and he wrote this poem. He wrote this poem when he was hospitalized. He wrote this poem Invictus when he was hospitalized, and there doctor amputated his leg. And when he was hospitalized at the age of 12, doctors amputated his leg to save his life. Doctor amputated his leg below the knee to save his life. And after that, he spent all his life with that amputated leg. Amputated means cut. Doctor cut his leg below the knee to save his life, and he spent all his life with that amputated leg. But he wrote this poem. He wrote this poem when he was facing the situation, when he was facing the difficult situation of his life. Now, we are going to start our poem. Out of the night that covers me, out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole. Black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be. I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. For my unconquerable soul. Now we are going to learn our first line. Out of the night that covers me. Here in the first line, the poet used the night word. Poet used the word night for the hardship and challenges he was facing in his life. He used the word night to express the challenges and hardships, difficulties he was facing in his life. He told us, out of the night that covers me, means he told us that his life was full of hardship and challenges. He was facing hardship and challenges in his life. Black as the pit from pole to pole. Pit means a large deep hole in the ground. Pit means a large deep hole in the ground. And in the next line, he told us, black as the pit from pole to pole, means he was in a dark pit. When he was facing hardship, he was facing challenges in his life. He told us that he was covered, means everywhere in his life his life was full of hardship, difficult time, challenges, and when he was in that situation, he thought to himself that he was fall in a pit, means in a dark hole. He was fall in a dark hole, and when he tried to see anywhere in that pole, everywhere he saw only the darkness. When he looked anywhere, when he saw anywhere in the pole, in the hole in the pole, he looks only darkness. There he saw not a ray, not a single ray of hope, not a single ray of hope he never saw when he was in the dark pool, when he was in the pit. I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. But even though he was in a pit, he was facing so much difficulty in his life, he at that moment too, he thanks God. He thanks the Almighty. He thanks God. For what he thanks God? He thanks God for giving him the unconquerable soul, for giving him the undefeatable soul, for giving him the unconquerable soul, for giving him the undefeatable soul. In the difficult situation too, he thanks God for giving him the unconquerable, the undefeatable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstances, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the burdens of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. The second stanza we will learn in our next period, and now we are going to see the introduction, the singing of the poem and the meaning of first stanza on the digital board.